Everything you think you know about the AI revolution might actually be slowing you down. Today, we're shifting gears. We're moving from just passively using AI to becoming high-leverage builders. We're talking about the ultimate shift, building no-code agents.
It's the question literally keeping everyone awake at night, right? Will AI take your job? It's a huge anxiety, and it totally makes sense. It feels like this massive wave is just waiting to crash over traditional workflows.
But here is the brutal truth. No, AI itself isn't going to take your job. Someone building AI agents will. That is the fundamental mental shift we absolutely have to make right now. The threat isn't the tech itself. It's the person who knows how to harness it. Once you realize that, it's an immediate transition from fear to massive opportunity.
Just look at the sheer contrast here. A traditional workflow relies on us humans. And hey, we're great, but we need sleep, we occasionally make mistakes, and we have strict bandwidth limits. But an AI agent? It operates 24/7. It's 100% consistent. It's infinitely scalable. We're talking about boundless leverage.
So what actually is a no-code AI agent? Think of it as your autonomous digital worker. You don't need to write a single line of programming to build it, and it's designed to flawlessly execute highly specialized tasks around the clock. You don't have to be a software engineer to dominate this space anymore. You just need to be the architect.
And building one is insanely accessible. Here is your 3-step blueprint for building automated systems right now. Step 1, define the job. Step 2, develop the model. And Step 3, deploy and monitor. Let's break these down so you can actually start building today. Step 1, define the job. We need to map out the highly specialized output. You can't be vague here. You've got to map out the exact micro steps of the outcome you want. We're talking about tasks like qualifying sales prospects, handling Tier 1 support, or organizing incoming data. If you delegate just your initial lead qualification to an agent, response times drop from hours to literal seconds. You assign one specific repeatable task, and boom, you instantly replace massive amounts of manual effort. Step 2, develop the model. You're going to train it with real-world examples. This is where the magic really happens. And remember, no coding. You're simply showing the AI what done right actually looks like. Feed the model with your practical, everyday assets. Standard operating procedures, successful phone call transcripts, perfectly resolved customer chat logs. You're acting as the mentor, giving the AI gold standard examples to learn from. Finally, Step 3, deploy and monitor. Establish that continuous feedback loop. So your digital worker goes live in the wild, but it still needs a little human supervision at first. It's a super simple, non-technical loop. If the agent gets it right, thumbs up, that reinforces the behavior. If it gets it wrong, thumbs down, which automatically adjusts its algorithm. You are literally coaching it to perfection. And because of that exact feedback loop, the system gets smarter automatically. Every single interaction makes this agent sharper, faster, and more effective. You're building a compounding asset that constantly improves itself. The end result? A relentless workforce that operates 24/7. It never clocks out, it never takes a vacation, and it never drops the ball on the standards you've set. This is peak efficiency, totally unlocked. Which brings us to the biggest breakthrough realization of all. If you don't replace yourself using AI agents, you will be replaced. It's not just about saving a few hours a week. It's about survival and massive exponential leverage. You have to be the person who builds these systems. Start building today, not tomorrow. The demand for no-code AI development is off the charts right now, and the tools are completely accessible to you right this second. So ask yourself, if you could build a digital clone that never sleeps, what impossible goal are you going to conquer tomorrow? Let's get to work.